Hello, everyone. It's Dr. Desiree Alexander, aka Educator Alexander, and here's your 5-minute tip for this week. So, I want to look at Gmail signatures and how you can use multiple signatures at the same time. Let's get started. So, if you come here to the gear, I am in Gmail. I'm going to go to See All Settings and I'm going to scroll all the way down to my signature. So notice I have one called normal. It's kind of my everyday signature. When you come here to create new, you can name your signature. Like I'm going to name this holiday signature. And then it's going to let you go ahead and do your signature right here. So I'm going to say happy holidays, Desiree. So notice you can, do little things like make it bold, or I can hyperlink this to a website and all kinds of stuff. You can put a picture in here. But notice you can create as many signatures as you want to. And then you say, which one do you want to use as the default? So which one do you want every time you bring up an email? Which one do you want kind of sitting there looking at you in the face? And you can do one for brand new emails and then one for replies. So I know some people like to do like a full signature for new emails, and on a reply, they may just put their name. So up to you. If you're talking about school, a really good school signature is going to have your first and last name and your real first and last name. If you have a nickname, put that in the middle, like Desiree, quote, whatever, quote, and then your last name. It should have your school or your district. It should have some way that I can contact you, so either your email address or your phone number. And it should also have what do you do. So whether that be teacher or math teacher or however specific you want to get, but those are the 4 things that make at least a, regular normal email signature. And then you have this little thing, insert signature before quoted text and remove the 2 dots. I'm going to show you how this looks with and without it. So once you get all of your signatures, you can come here and hit save. And then when you come here to start a message, notice the two little dashes are not there. So if I come back here, I just want to show you how it looks when it is there. So if I uncheck this, now it is there. And all that does is tell people that the email is over. The rest of this is just a signature. So if you want to use multiple signatures, so you see I have my default that popped up, right? But if I wanted to go ahead and use my holiday signature, I can come right here to the little, it's almost like a little ink pen. I can click it and say, hey, I want to use the holiday signature, or I want to use no signature at all. Awesome, right? Then you can go to manage signatures and I'll bring you right back to let me get rid of this, right back to the general settings where you can come here and choose whatever signature you want to choose. You can also edit the signature right here by just clicking on the little pencil, and you can delete the signature. Now, last but not least, there is a website called YStamp. So ystamp.com. I do suggest going to that, creating a free account, and you can create really nice email signatures. So my email signature actually came from YStamp. And if you are using the free account, some things you can't do, it's a freemium. Some things you can do for free, some things you can't. But for free, you're going to have a little line at the bottom that says, use your own, do your own YStamp. And it's really, really not a big deal. So I definitely suggest using the free one unless you want other little perks. But there you go. That's some answers to some Gmail signature questions that I've gotten over the past couple of weeks. And hopefully you have a good day and good luck.